Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to browse products on the Bershka application. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to the App Store and download the application. When you do that, you just need to of course go in the app and create your own account. Now guys, if you're struggling with both of these things, you can of course go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Bershka videos where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. Here we have the home screen where we have some promotions, we have some new stuff that Bershka is having and is promoting on the homepage. We have the search bar where you can go and search for anything. You have some things that you might be interested that they think you would like, and that's why they are putting them here. We have the menu where we have the stuff for women and for men, so basically, or for kids, of course, for teens. So you can go and see all of these things. So you have clothes, shoes, accessories, whatever you want is here. Also, here we have the basket where all of your stuff that you want will appear here. So basically, when you put something in the basket, it will appear here. At the moment, it's empty for me because I don't have anything, but be sure when you have something, it will appear here. And of course, at the end, we have everything about your account. So we have your purchases, your personal details, inbox, help, contact settings, and of course the logout option. But now guys, let's see how to browse products on the Bershka application. So basically it's pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So basically you just need to go to the search bar, and here where it says right here, you can write everything about the app. About everything that you want to buy. So you can put dress, as you can see, Gossip Girl, top, Hello Kitty, whatever you want. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.